Hello, green thumbs and design lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for everything beautiful outside the home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are tired of spending a fortune at the garden center every single spring just to watch your flowers fade by August, you are in the right place. Today, we are unlocking the ultimate secret to a jaw-dropping, high-impact yard that explodes with color month after month, year after year. We are diving into the world of ultra-vibrant, summer-blooming perennials, the true powerhouses of landscape design. Get ready to turn your yard into the envy of the entire neighborhood without breaking your back or your budget every season. When we talk about perennials, we are referring to plants that live for more than 2 years, naturally returning spring after spring from their existing root systems. Unlike annuals, which complete their entire life cycle in one season and die off with the winter frost, perennials are a long-term investment in your landscape. Choosing highly vibrant, summer-blooming varieties is a total game-changer for your garden decor for several reasons. First, they provide an incredibly reliable backbone of intense color right when spring bulbs fade, ensuring your outdoor spaces look lively and styled throughout the hottest months of the year. Second, because they establish deep, permanent root systems, they become much more resilient, drought-tolerant, and low-maintenance over time than delicate annuals. Finally, they are highly cost-effective. They grow larger and can often be divided every few years, giving you free plants to expand your garden beds and maximize your home's curb appeal naturally. These 15 summer-blooming perennials, once established, offer stunning colors throughout the warm months with minimal effort on your part. Enjoy their vibrant hues in your garden all season long. One. Delightful daylily. Sunny gold hemerocallis stella d'oro, daylily brightens gardens with trumpet-shaped yellow flowers throughout the season. This resilient perennial thrives in hot, dry conditions, making it a low-maintenance choice. Pair it with blue ornamental onion, Allium azureum, for a stunning color contrast. 2. Immortality reblooming iris. Immortality iris stands out for its snowy white flowers that appear in both spring and fall. This tall bearded iris is easy to cultivate, with ruffled blooms held on 30-inch stems above striking sword-like foliage. 3. Luscious reblooming lilac. Enjoy the fragrant lilac scent in spring, and again from midsummer into fall with bloomerang, Syringa penda. This compact lilac grows 4 to 5 feet tall and wide, making it ideal for any garden. It produces a bounty of lavender-purple flowers suitable for cutting. 4. Heavenly hydrangea. Most hydrangeas bloom just once, but endless summer offers blooms throughout the season on new growth. This variety is perfect for cold climates where winter damage might inhibit other hydrangeas from flowering, ensuring a vibrant display in your garden. 5. Reliable repeat blooming rose. Beautiful knockout roses are among the easiest roses to grow in your garden, offering nearly continuous blooms throughout summer. They are hardy and resistant to diseases, simplifying garden care. Seen here is pink double knockout, with varieties including red, double red, single pink, yellow, and more. 6. Climb new heights with clematis. Add a vibrant touch to your garden with clematis jackmanii. Its striking royal purple petals blanket the plant in early summer, and it continues to bloom periodically throughout the season. 7. Deep purple delight. May night or Salvia ex sylvestris perennial salvia features a stunning display of deep purple spires in late spring. By cutting off the flowers as they fade, you can encourage a second bloom later in summer. 8. Bountiful blooming bleeding heart. Fringed bleeding heart, Dicentra eximia, fits perfectly in semi-shady small space gardens. Unlike traditional varieties that bloom once in spring, This perennial offers blooms all summer, pausing in the hottest days before blooming again in autumn. 9. Rozanne reblooming perennial geranium. With its clear purple blooms from late spring to the first fall frost, geranium rozanne offers a vivid splash of color in part shade to full sun. This spreading plant can reach 3 feet wide, adding a lush cover of beautiful foliage. 10. Blanket flower bonanza. The orange tubular flowers of commotion tizzy blanket flower resemble bursting fireworks. This vibrant sun-loving perennial blooms all summer and thrives when spent flowers are removed. 11. Vibrant valerian. Add a delightful dose of vivid pink to your garden with valerian. This plant blooms consistently from spring to fall in well-drained, sunny locations. Deadheading helps prevent seed spread and encourages rebloom. 12. Sunny coreopsis. Coreopsis, often called tickseed, offers abundant sunny yellow flowers in summer. The variety domino features a mahogany band near the bloom center. Removing spent blossoms prevents seed formation and promotes continued blooming. 13. Delightful Shasta daisy. The pure white blooms of Becky Shasta daisy add a cheerful touch to perennial gardens. Removing faded flowers encourages a repeat bloom. 14. Constant color from catmint. The purple flower spikes of Walker's low catmint contrast beautifully with its gray-green foliage. Trimming the plant after the initial bloom in late spring encourages compact growth and reblooming. Catmint is a low-maintenance choice that withstands hot and dry conditions. 15. Sensational speedwell. Speedwell, a garden standout, offers summer-long blooms in shades of blue, pink, or white. These perennials feature upright flower spikes on mounded plants. Shearing the plant after blooms fade encourages branching and rebloom. Pairing speedwell with knockout roses and Six Hills giant catmint creates a vibrant display. Creating a breathtaking, color-drenched summer garden doesn't mean you have to start from scratch every single year. By strategically layering these brilliant, hard-working perennials into your flower beds, you are setting yourself up for a lifetime of effortless beauty. Imagine stepping out onto your patio next summer and being greeted by an even bigger, bolder, and more chaotic display of blooms, all from the work you put in just once. It is the smartest, most beautiful way to upgrade your outdoor living space and cultivate a true garden paradise. If you want to keep stealing the best insider secrets for a gorgeous yard, make sure to smash that like button right now and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs. Drop a comment below telling me which of these vibrant perennials is your absolute favorite, or let me know what gardening dilemma you are facing next. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss our weekly design inspiration, and we will see you in the next video.